Okay, this is a Go Box, but I think probably it would be better to call it a no-go box, because these things, when you put your radio gear inside, they can, I mean, this one probably weighs about 65 pounds, but I'm pretty pleased with the way it turned out. I like the layout of it. I see a lot of people on YouTube that are ham operators that have designed their Go Boxes through the use of these Gator boxes. Don't be fooled. These are heavy. So if you're in an emergency situation and you need something to grab and go, this may not be the grab and go situation that you may be thinking of. A backpack would probably be better with the smaller radios. So let's take a look inside. Alpha India for Quebec Tango.
Alpha India 4, Quebec Tango, 057.
Roger, I copy your 5757. This is Alpha India 4, Quebec Tango, portable North Alabama.
Oscar Mike Juliet from Kilo 1286 and Kilo 4484 Cali.
Okay, here is the setup. I have the 718 that I run off a 12-volt battery, and I use a battery booster by MFJ to maintain the, as much as possible, a 13.8 power supply current. Anyway, if I'm on commercial power, I use the MFJ 30 amp switching power supply here, and I can run both the 718 and this Yaesu 2800 VHF rig. Next to it, I have the MFJ, the LDG Z100 Plus auto tuner that's interfaced with the 718 here. I do find that I use the manual tuner more when I'm in the field. I use the Z100 primarily when I do digital because I can tune it faster when I need to. But out in the field, I use this little MFJ manual tuner. I don't have a SWR meter built in with this tuner, so that's why I use this separate SWR meter. I have the Signal Link sound card here, and of course the two mics here. If I swing it around here, if I don't step on the antenna coax, yeah, it's your typical rat's nest, but hey, I'm not in it for aesthetics. I'm in it for practicality of making it work. I do not have a rig runner or anything like that. I just plug directly into my power source. This is this battery booster. I highly recommend it. It works pretty darn well. Basically what it does, it takes your 12-volt battery and maintains a 13.8 power supply to the radio. One thing I have discovered very quickly, if you use a Gator Box, you need to have stickers to tell you which way is up, because I don't know how many times I have opened this box upside down. Of course, nothing would happen because everything is pretty well secure on the racks inside. But anyway, this is the Go Box. But as mentioned earlier, it's almost like a no-go box because it is awfully heavy. So let's get back to listening to what's going on 40 meters.